everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited today because I've ordered the Kscraft 90s collection, which is the April release. Well, I say I've ordered it, I think I didn't get one or two pieces from the collection. My order that I made has just come in today, so I thought I would pop on and share what I got. So enough waffling, let's take a look. So as you can see, there's the Kscraft information. So first off, we've got the boombox purse. And I love this one. I've seen so many people make this one. And I think it's really, really cool. So you get this piece. And then you get this one. So you get lots of different layering pieces, add-ons, extras to make it a really nice project. And then you've got the main piece with a few more extras. And look at the nice stitching detail you're going to get as well. So that's the boombox purse. Then we've got the 90 sentiments. So you've got That's Rad, Talk to the Hand, Like Totally, MTV, and loads of others, which is really, really nice. Typical 90s. So I love those. Looking forward to using those. Then you've got the vintage TV shaker. And this one you get the back piece, and then you get your layering piece, and then your shaker frame. There's 3 pieces. That is really going to be pretty when it's made, really cute. Then there's the roller skate tags, and this one you get the 2 large size, and then you get 2 smaller. So they are super cute, nice sizes, so you get the choice of the 2 to make. So that's the roller skate tags. Then you've got the new game machine, which is a bit like a Nintendo Switch. And you've got this piece with lots of sentiments and the add-ons. You've got Gamer Boy, Gamer Girl, Happy Birthday. So you've got those. Then you've got this one, which is going to be your main piece, and another layering piece to the Happy Birthday. And then you've got your other layering pieces as well. So lots of dies, but it's really nice. It makes the project really pop. And so you get this piece with some sentiments. Then you've got the main jukebox shape. And you also get this one as well. So you've got lots of different elements, layering pieces, which is going to be really nice. So that's the jukebox box card. Then we've got the record folding box. Again, lots of different pieces. Got this piece. Then you've got this one. You've got this lovely stitched piece to add as well. And then you've got the main piece again, another nice stitching layer. So that's super cool. And then the other couple that I got are a couple older dies. So this is the cassette tape, which is the big size. So let's have a quick look at this one. So you get, again, lots of pieces to layer and add on. Then you get this piece and the main piece. As you can see, that is quite big. Fills my hand, and it is 4 3/4. So that is a really good size. And then the last one, I got the Game Boy shaker. Let's see if I can quickly open this. There it is. This one's really cute. So you got the actual backing, the main piece. It says Game Boy on it. And then you get that layering piece and all the little elements to add on as well. That's going to be really cute when it's made. So yeah, that is, as I said, most of the 90s collection from Kscraft for April. So yeah, be sure to like and subscribe because I'll be making some projects with these, so be sure to keep an eye out for those. So yeah, I'll leave all of the links to Hannah's information, her Instagram, and of course the Kscraft store on Aliexpress. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.